right, folks, right here at Show Center in front of the VIP tents, we're looking at something on the water. Not everything is entirely up in the sky, although when you look at this electric surfboard, you might think it's doing an air show as well. This is Charlie Newlands from the Summer Water Sports. Charlie is demonstrating why he's an international water skiing superstar. He's part of 4 Guinness World Records and has now opened a number of different things for SWS, including the Muskoka E-Foil. He rides a flight board and has been performing the E-Foil in shows all summer long in Muskoka. He's been in shows in Australia, India, China, the United States of America, and even Malaysia. He is currently on Show Ski Canada. He skied at the C&E Water Ski Show a couple of years ago. And Charlie is a hometown boy. He's from right here in Toronto.
Woo! Canada!
Once again, Charlie giving us a little demonstration of the electric surfboard. From Summer Water Sports, or SWS. SWS is North America's largest water sports company. It's based in Muskoka. They have been performing water stunt shows for over 30 years all over the world. From Doritos commercials to The Amazing Race, they perform for TV and live audiences everywhere. SWS made up the core of the C&E ski team of years past. The Ontario Place Extreme Wake Series and all the stunt shows all over cottage country. There's the hang loose. Give him a wave as he goes by in that electronic or electric surfboard there, folks. SWS Flyboard has been going for 9 years and has taught over 10,000 people how to flyboard in Ontario as well as the Cayman Islands. He's having a lot of fun out there, folks, demonstrating to you this electric surfboard. Makes me want to spend the next hot weekend out on the lake. Go for a little dip. Right now we're focused on bigger and better things, like the air show. Still lots of air show to come. Kyle Fowler is next in the Long Easy. And then we're going to bring on your Royal Canadian Air Force CH-146 Griffin helicopter. They're going to be doing a search and rescue demonstration for us. Doing a very tight 360-degree turn there. Trying to keep up with our airshow performers, I think. Let's see if Charlie can do the hammerhead. And welcome to Kyle Fowler in the Long Easy from Show Right.